Sometimes a car deal comes along that you simply can't ignore. Tesla's new lease offer for the refreshed 2025 Model 3 is that deal. For years, electric cars felt out of reach for many, but this offer changes everything. The Model 3 is now positioned as an attainable, smart choice for everyday drivers. Imagine driving a tech-packed, zero-emissions car for a monthly payment that rivals a basic sedan. What sets this deal apart? A low monthly payment and a low amount due at signing, no hidden catches. Tesla's transparency here is a breath of fresh air in the car world. If you've been waiting for the right time to go electric, this could be your sign. We'll break down the costs, features, and why this isn't just another lease deal. Let's take a closer look at what makes this a potential game changer. Let's talk numbers, the heart of this offer. The 2025 Model 3 Long Range rear-wheel drive can be leased for $349 a month, with just $349 due at signing. That's less than many phone contracts for a brand new Tesla. Want all-wheel drive? It's $549 a month, $549 at signing. Craving performance? The Model 3 Performance is $849 a month, $849 at signing. All leases are for 24 months, short, flexible, and commitment light. Prefer to buy? Tesla offers 0.99% APR for 60 months, a rare deal in today's market. Plus, you can apply the $7,500 federal EV tax credit right at purchase, slashing the price. And now, you can buy your Model 3 at lease end, a big shift from Tesla's old policy. This means you can try the EV lifestyle risk-free, then buy if you love it. It's a flexible, buyer-friendly approach. That's why this lease is turning heads. This isn't just any Model 3, it's the updated 2025 Highland version. Tesla improved ride quality and cabin quietness, making it feel truly premium. The interior is more refined, with ventilated front seats, a brighter 15.4-inch touchscreen, and a heated steering wheel. Ambient lighting and a panoramic glass roof add to the upscale vibe. Tesla's minimalist design is even sleeker, with new steering wheel controls and a stock-free layout. The rear seats fold down for a huge cargo area, practical for daily life. There's also a generous front trunk for extra storage. The Model 3 blends style, tech, and practicality in one package. It's a leap forward in comfort and usability. With Tesla, you get both performance and efficiency. The Long Range RWD sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds and offers up to 363 miles of range. The AWD model is even quicker, 0-60 in 4.2 seconds with 346 miles of range. The performance trim? A supercar like 0-60 in 2.8 seconds. Even with all that speed, you get everyday comfort and practicality. Charging is easy with Tesla's supercharger network. Hundreds of miles in minutes. Most owners simply charge at home overnight. Tesla's ecosystem makes EV ownership seamless. Range anxiety? Not with these numbers. Why such a strong deal now? Competition is fierce. Other brands are catching up. Tesla wants to keep the Model 3 on top and clear the way for future models. The 24-month lease keeps customers coming back just as new Teslas arrive. High interest rates make car buying tough, so Tesla's low APR is a big draw. The $7,500 tax credit may not last forever. Tesla's urging buyers to act now. It's also a classic end-of-quarter sales push. By making the Model 3 accessible, Tesla grows its user base and ecosystem. It's a smart move for both buyers and the company. Step back and the value is clear. For $349 a month, you get cutting-edge tech, style, and performance. The Highland refresh makes the Model 3 more refined than ever. EVs save you money on fuel and maintenance. No oil changes, no exhaust repairs. Over 2 years, those savings add up. The short lease lets you try EV life with minimal risk. Love it? Buy it at lease end. Not for you? Walk away. This deal makes a premium EV attainable for more people than ever. It competes with mainstream sedans on price but offers so much more. Simply put, it's one of the best new car deals out there. Is this lease right for you? Consider your needs. The Long Range RWD offers huge range for most drivers at an unbeatable price. Need all-weather traction? The AWD model is a smart upgrade. Want pure speed? The performance trim is for enthusiasts. The 24-month lease means you're not locked in as EV tech evolves. It's a low-risk way to experience the future of driving. If you're ready to ditch the gas station and embrace electric, now's the time. The only question, which Model 3 will you choose?